Today we have Arjun Best with us. Let's ask him what were his views on today's seminar.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Arjun. I'm a sports coordinator of GD Goenka School, and I found this workshop is very interesting, and really it is a very valuable workshop for everyone. I definitely looking forward with the concerned persons awards regarding the workshop, regarding the training sessions. Definitely we want to have in our schools, and all in it is a very good workshop.
So what all plans do you already have in your school for the safety measures and what you are planning by seeing this seminar?
Exactly, we have very few plans for disaster management. Like we are having a fire extinguisher in our school, we have the evacuation plan, evacuation map in our school. But as a frank, we are not following in our practice. We are doing it once in a year, not on a monthly basis. So now I found we have to do on a monthly basis.
Thank you, sir. Now we have the representative from Step by Step School and Shiv Nadar School. Let's ask them about their views about this seminar.
So this is a very, very important subject, and normally people don't realize importance of this subject. Life lost because of our unpreparedness for disaster is very, very which can be something which can be avoided and which should be avoided. This school, Nehru World School, by organizing this event and giving importance to this subject, is doing a great service to the society. It is a very good. I'll call it's a noble cause.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I am Subhash Thapliyal from Shiv Nadar School, Noida. Basically, I am very happy to come to this place today. The session was very informative, and it was very different in the sense that generally whenever we go and attend such a seminar or informative lecture, it is basically for the heck of like completing or meeting certain formalities. But this time the way it has been designed and was executed was commendable. So I congratulate Nehru World School, GAPSHAM and NDRF teams for that, and I always look forward to attending such a session in future. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you should keep it up.
Yes.
Keep it up.
So what all safety measures right now you are having in school and are they regular?
Yeah, we have proper safety measures. We have a proper disaster management plan in our school. We have evacuation plan. We practice these drills. Our staff is briefed. Our children are rehearsed. We have proper firefighting drills. We have catered for most of the emergencies or disasters that can occur in this area.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just to sum it up, we both are from defense. We both are from army. He's my senior, Colonel. So what's your Parshwal, and I am Captain Subhash Thapliyal. So basically, we have been working in this sector for very long, and that is why the confirmation is there that yes, we are following all the norms and the requirement as far as the safety and security of premises and children is concerned in our school.
And we understand the importance of this subject.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now we have Hina Khanna from GAPSHAM, and now let's ask her how long she had been working in this field.
I'm working since last 8 months in this field. We are providing training. We are preparing school disaster management plan. We provide capacity building solutions.
Ma'am, what do you think by showing this seminar to the principals instead of student? Is it more benefit or showing it to students is more good?
Surely it will it will make some effect because these people are the decision makers basically. So for them, they must know first. Their school must be safe. How they can prepare their school for disaster preparedness. So I think this workshop will have a very. This workshop is very effective.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now here we have the representative of Shivoi School. Let's ask her views on today's seminar.
It's of great importance. Earlier, we were not aware of so many things which are around us and which can play an important role in saving one's life. So that we have come to know triangle of fire and triangle of life.
Ma'am, what all safety measures does your school have?
We are having fire safety, but this earthquake and disaster, we have learned a lot of things today.
So after going back, I think you will increase its intensity.
Definitely, and the program they have shown to us is so easy and so we can easily explain to our students, rather to the smaller students also. It's so easy to tell them that where they can take the refuge at the time of earthquake.
Ma'am, any feedback that you got, positive or negative, from the seminar?
Certainly positive. Certainly positive. Now we can make aware small children. We can aware them about the things they have to take care, and by them they can tell these things to their family members also. So it's a great way to aware the society.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Today we have the representative of Delhi Public School, Vasundhara. Let's ask her about her views on today's seminar.
It was really wonderful. It gave me food to think what all we need to do in our school. What is there in our school? What is lacking? Where are we lagging behind? And what steps to be taken? So one thing that I'm taking back is the training for my students. They should actually be prepared for any disaster that comes so that we can reduce the impact and be safe. Thank you.
And ma'am, does your school have a safety management in a regular period of time, like a month or a year?
We have. It's cyclic. Every month we have drills. Every month we talk about it. But the level that we are expected to do, I think we need to work on it. And today that's what we learned and gained.
Okay, so ma'am, now you're going to share with your kids like how you are going to change some systems in your school, right?
Yes, we are going to increase its intensity and we are going to make a committee that is more functional.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Today we have representatives of a new Rainbow School. Let's ask them about their views on this seminar.
We particularly like the program. Yes, so we particularly like the program very much, and I have myself learned so many things like life-saving triangle. So I am going completely enriched after witnessing the live action in the program, and I also liked some of the hands-on exercises which we did today. So thank you so very much, Nehru World School, for organizing and hosting such a wonderful program. Thanks to the NDRF team, the GapShap team, and along with the students and the faculty members who made this entire event possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I also agree with our director sir from Rainbow School, Mr. Atul Agarwal, and we are very appreciate from Nehru World School that he organized the disaster management program, and we are trained and we are go for train our children in our school. Thank you.
And sir, what all safety measures right now you are having in your school, and are they in a daily purpose, like a month you are practicing it, or in a year? And after seeing this seminar, what do you think, what you should add on?
Basically, we were just conducting mock drills, and today we realized that it is actually not sufficient to just have mock drills, but we need to create our own disaster management plan for the entire school and rope in everybody, all the stakeholders, including the parents, community, students, everyone from the management and the local police station or the fire station. Everybody needs to be there to actually create a good team so that in case of any disaster or in case of any mishappening, we are actually well prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.